Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 5 apps you should download on your Realme C35. So the first one will be Ampere, and it's the app that shows you a lot of information about your battery. You can, after it measures it, you can see a lot of things like status of your battery. If it's discharging because I don't have it connected and we're losing battery. If it's plugged, its level, its health, technology, maximum capacity, its temperature, voltage, manufacturer, model, Android version, and build ID. So there's a lot of information which you haven't get access without this app. So the next thing is Caffeine, and this app allows you to change your screen timeout to infinite, and it's a good option sometimes because you never know when you need your phone to never black out. So let me show you in the settings that you can change it to normally to this level of timeout. So we go to display, find screen timeout, and the maximum is 30 minutes. So that was Caffeine. Next one is Read Era. So if you're reading some books or any PDF files like instructions, it's pretty good. This app is pretty good to download and install because you can easily read books, mark them as read it, so you won't accidentally open them again and stuff like that. It's pretty good app. I really recommend it. The next app is Stick Around, and this app is all about movies. If you like to watch movies, you can find your movie that you're currently watching and check if it's actually good to stick around after credits to see if something is coming. So for example, let's check Batman, and it says no, we shouldn't wait for the credits to end. The next and the last app is Rare, and this app allows you to actually pack or unpack any RAR or zip files, so you can find any files that you want to pack. For example, I have these 2 pictures. I can press on this plus button and pack them easily like that. And now to unpack them, I'm just gonna press on the file, select the files, press on this arrow pointing up, and press OK, and they're unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.